Good morning everyone. I am Ritesh Raj from class 10th standard in MCA Public School, and today I am here to represent an interesting topic on figures of speech. So today we read about figures of speech and its type. We mainly read about its 5 types, which are personification, metaphor, simile, alliteration, and onomatopoeia. Firstly, we read about personification. We can clear from the word person. Here, from the word person, it attributes human nature. It attributes human nature. It means anything. For example, we can see the dancing copy. It means the copy is dancing. So it attributes the human nature on the copy. For example, dancing leaves, howling winds, lightning danced across the sky. Here, in the rainy season, we see that the lightning is happening in the sky, and the poet or the writer wrote that lightning danced in the sky. This word danced is a human nature. Is a human nature. Therefore, any line where the human nature is present, then there is figure of speech is personification. Now our next is metaphor. Metaphor is used to imply a comparison. Highlight the word comparison between two things that have something common. For example, my name is Ritesh and some other have the same name Ritesh. So there will be a comparison between Ritesh and Ritesh because they both are common but are in general difference from each other. Now our next is example. For example, we can see life is a highway. Here the life is compared with highway. The highway is continuously running and the life is continuously running. In our life we do many works and the highway also do the same. Her eyes are diamonds. Here the eyes of a girl is compared to diamonds. The next is simile. It compared two things that are different from each other. It also compared two things, but these two things are different from each other, not same from each other, but have a similar qualities. For example, there are two girls, Aanchal and Tanu. Aanchal and Tanu are two different girls, but they have similar qualities that they both are topper. They have similar quality that they both are topper. Hence the simile compare it. Use of as or like is common. In the example of simile, we see the use of as or like. For example, we can see the example of simile that he is as brave as lion. Here is a comparison between a person and lion, and the person is showed here as brave as lion. So here the common things are as, and in the example we have seen that as or like is used. Now the second is swim like a fish. Here the like is come, and we have seen that the like is only come in the figure of speech which is simile. Tanu is as light as feather. Here Tanu is a girl and he is as light as feather, like a feather. And the next is alliteration. Alliteration is a figure of speech. It is a sentence that consists of a series of words that have the same consonant sound at the beginning. It means tanu, 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 tanu. It is not a series of words. So there is not the poetic device alliteration is present. If we talk about it example, we see she sells seashells on the sea horse. So here the sound yes, 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 yes is common. So we can say that it is a alliteration. In Hindi, it is known as Anupras. She sells, she shells, she hers. So here S is common, therefore it is alliteration. Now the next is onomatopoeia. It is used to express a sound. It means any sound. Like Ritesh produced the sound. So I am producing the sound by speaking. So it represents the sound. To be more precise, it involves the use of words that imitate the sound associated with the action of it. Action of objects. Here the action of objects is done. Therefore, in onomatopoeia, the verb is also present. Also present. For example, of onomatopoeia, we see the buzzing bee flew over my head. Here, the verb is flew. The buzzing is a sound which is produced by the bee and the bee is flying above my head. The second is the stone hit the water with a splash. Hit is a verb. For example, we hitting the stamp from the ball. So it is a verb. And it produced the sound of splash. The sound of splash is produced when the stone is hit in the water. That's all for today. Thank you.